1, 2, 3.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
teacher Lam and teacher All.
Good morning, students. And then, teacher, will you do the attendance now or during the class? Okay, we'll do attendance a bit later. Today, I first want to start off by watching a short video, just a nice song before we start the week. So we have some excitement and some fun. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video just for a moment. My favorites. The reason why I chose that song is because I do believe in practice makes perfect. So the more we practice something, the better we get at it. And that you could see in the beginning of the video, that lady couldn't do any jump rope. And then later on, she was doing all these jump rope tricks like the other people in the video. So the same concept we can use for mathematics. The more we practice, the better we will get. And the easier it becomes to answer the questions. So today we are still busy with application, unit 2. But we're going to focus a little bit more on our word problems. Because word problems is a way of how we can solve mathematical problems in a real life scenario. So if we go and read the word problems, these are usually situations that can happen to us in real life. So that means that we are able to practice maths in real life so that we can see how we apply it on a daily basis. So today we're going to do word problems about discounts. Okay, so are you guys ready? Yes. You ready? Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, Monday morning, everyone is a little bit slow. It's okay, it's okay. We'll get into it. So 6.1, word problems about decimals. So let's quickly just read the examples and then I will show you how I like to do word problems to make sure that we understand the information. Let's read the first one over here. 20% off means giving a 20% discount on the normal price. That is, if the normal price is 200 baht, a 20 baht discount is given. In other words, if the normal price is 100 baht, the sale price is 80 baht. So how do we calculate these types of discounts? So example number 1 over here. A book is normally sold for 150 baht. If it is 10% off, how much of a discount is given? So the first thing when I do word problems is to always make sure I either have a marker or a pen with me. Because with a marker and a pen, we can highlight the important information that we need. Because a lot of the times in word problems, they do give us a lot of information just to confuse us. So we use our highlighters, markers, or pens to highlight the relevant and important information. So I'll show you from the first example here. A book normally sells for 150 baht. So we can say the normal price is 150. That is important information. And it is 10% off, meaning we get a discount of 10%. Now they ask us how much of a discount is given. So they can ask this question in 2 ways. They can ask you how much discount is given or what is the price you will pay after discount. So when we highlight the important information, it's very difficult to make mistakes. And it's also then easier for us to just go back to the question and just quickly see which parts are important. So for this specific question, let's look at the work that we have to do. A 10% discount means taking 10% off the normal price. So what that means is the price has to come down. If we give discount, the price is cheaper. So the price will be lower. Very important to remember that. That's the first one. If you understand that, very difficult to make mistakes. So it says here 10% of normal price. So 10% of the normal price is 10 over 100 times 150. Do you guys remember when we say 10% and we convert it to a fraction, it is always a fraction with a denominator of 100. Very important to remember. This never changes. When we work with percentages, it's always the percentage number on top of the fraction, and below the denominator will be the 100, always. Okay, so here the formula is 10 over 100 times 150. Now for us to quickly solve that, I'll do that here. So 10 over 100 times 150 over 1. So we multiply the top and the bottom, so 1,500 divided by 100. And then we can very easily just divide them by removing the 2 zeros on top and at the bottom. And our final answer would be 15 baht. And remember, when we do word problems, our answer cannot just be 15 baht. We have to write a small sentence. 15 baht. But what we sometimes struggle with is, how do we write the sentence as an answer? So let me show you. They say here the discount given for the book is 15 baht. Where do we get that information? It is already in the question. So if you look at the first part of the last part of the question here, it says how much of a discount is given. So we can say a discount of 15 baht is given. So use the information in the question, or the discount given for the book is 15 baht. So you don't have to make up your own sentences with your own words. The answer is already in the question. Yes, Milk, do you have a question? I see your hand is raised. Hello, Milk. Hello. Let me just lower that for now. Okay, let's look at example 2 before I start asking you questions. So here again, we grab our marker. A marker over here, new color. Let's get a new color. Let's read again. A radio is normally sold for 600 baht. So we say a radio normally sold for 600 baht. So that's the normal price, 600 baht. If it is 20% off, how much is the radio? Do you see the answer is going to be different compared to number 1? Because number 1, they want to know what is the discount. Number 2, they want to know what is the new price. So let's see what is the difference and how do we calculate it. So our work over here. A 20% discount means giving 20% discount off the normal price. And we know that when we work with a percentage, we can always put it 20 over.
Teacher, sorry, I'm late.
Excuse me?
Teacher, sorry, I'm late.
Are you late? Okay, no problem. Welcome. We just started, so it's okay. Welcome. So we always put the discount as a percentage over a fraction, meaning the percentage number on top and at the bottom over 100. Always, always, always. It never changes. Okay, and then we multiply with the normal sale price, which they say in this one is 600 baht. So if we calculate this, 20 times 600 is going to give us 12, 1, 2, 3, 12,000 divided by 100. So that will give us 120. Now this is the discount. But we want to know what is the selling price. So we take then the 600, which is the normal price, and we minus the discount. And then we will get to 480 baht. Okay, 480 baht. So then we can say the radio sales price is 480 baht. So now that we did two of them, let's have a look at some examples. So here we have to answer each question. I will help you with these questions while we do it, but I'm going to ask you guys to give me the answers. So please also have a piece of paper or have your book with you so that you can calculate some of these questions. So are you guys ready for number one? Are we ready? Ooh. Okay, let's start. Please pay attention because I'm going to ask you to answer. Number one, if the shoes normal price is 100 baht, how much discount is given? So, firstly, I have to highlight the shoe normal price is 100 baht. How much discount is given? How do you think we will answer this? Can anyone tell me how will you answer this? Well, we have to use the picture on the left-hand side. We have to use the picture here to answer the question. So number one, how much of a discount is given? What do you guys think? Who can tell me? What do they say here?
90.
But listen to the question. Listen to the question. How much of a discount is given? So 90 is the new price if we take off 10%. But what would the discount amount be that we have to minus? So what is 100 minus 90 equals? 100 minus 90 equals 10. Excellent. So how much of a discount is given? 10 baht. Remember to write 10 baht. The baht is important at the end because it shows we work with money. So if the shoe's normal price for number two is 100 baht, what is the sales price? So what is the price after the discount? Leon, you said it in the first answer. What was that number?
90.
90. Excellent, excellent. That is going to be 90 baht. Okay, so let's look at number three. If the shoe's normal price is 300 baht, how much of a discount is given? So what is the amount of discount? So for number three, we will say, like normal, 10 over 100 multiplied by 300 over 1. So what is our discount? What is our discount? You can tell me. Make it a bit tricky. Number three's answer is the question is asked the same as number one. So we need to say what is the discount amount. You can tell me. You want to take a guess? 300. Anyone? What is 10% of 300?
Um, 30.
30. Excellent.
30.
Excellent. So this answer is going to be 30 what? 30 baht. It's going to be 30 baht. Okay. And then for number four, if the shoes normal price is 300, what is the sale price? What would we buy it for?
470.
270. Excellent. Excellent. But 270 what?
Baht.
Baht. Excellent. Yes. Very good. Okay. Let's look at the number two. The one with the fan. Let's first highlight the information we need to answer. We have 15% here and we have a 600 baht. So let's read the questions. Number one, if the fan's normal price is 100, how much discount is given? What is our discount amount if the normal price is 100 and the discount is 15%? What do we think? The 15 over 100 times 100 over 1. This one is very easy to calculate because we just eliminate the top and the bottom and we end up with 15. Do you agree? Yes or no? $15 baht. Yes, I hear that Jasmine say yes. Very good. I hope you would agree because it is 15 baht as the correct answer. So if the normal price was 100 baht, what would the sale price be? The sale price meaning what would you pay for it after the discount has been taken away? For number two, the formula we have here is 100 minus the discount. The discount equals 15. What would the answer be then? Anyone? What is 100 minus 15?
Yes. You say it again.
100 minus 15.
50.
No, 15. 1, 5. 15.
Oh.
Like over here.
85.
85. Excellent. Excellent. 85 baht. So for us, we have to also remember to read carefully. But if you read a question and you do not understand, what do you have to do? Who can tell me? If you read the question and you don't understand, what do you do? Who can tell me? Well, I can give you one thing that you can do. You can ask the teacher. Ask the teacher. Teacher, I don't understand. And then the teacher will help you by explaining what we have to do. Okay. So if you struggle or you don't understand any of the questions, please don't be shy. Please ask me. I'm always willing to help. Okay. So for number 3, yeah, the small 3 over here, and 3 and 4. Let's quickly read the questions. If the normal fan price, normal price is a start, 600 baht. How much will the discount be? So what is 15% of 600 baht? You can tell me.
6%.
No, listen carefully. 600 baht. And we have to take off 15%, 15%. So the formula, let me write the formula down for you. So it's going to be 15 over 100 because the percentage is always over 100 multiplied by 600 over 1. So that's our formula for number 3. Who can calculate that for me? And far, very good. Excellent. Our answer equals 90. Let me grab another color. These spaces are a little bit small. 90, but 90 what? 90? Baht. Excellent. Good job. So that's the discount amount is 90 baht. So if we have the discount of 90 baht, what would we pay to buy the item in the shop? What would our sale price be? Remember the formula? Equals normal price is 600 minus discount of 90 baht. So what would our sale price be then? Does anyone know? What is 600 minus 90?
510.
600
510.
minus 90 equal 500.
Because remember, we have to take the normal price of 600 baht and we have to minus the discount. So we already calculated the discount, but now we have to minus it from the normal price to get the new sell price. Okay, so let's see if we can answer number 3. This time I will not give you any formulas. Let's see if you can use the information we have discussed to answer. So firstly, make sure we highlight important information. 20% off 850 baht. Okay, so here again they start with 100 baht as the normal price. So what would our discount be if the price is 100 baht?
$20.
20 what? Remember to say the last part. 20 baht. Remember to say 20 baht. It's important because if you say it, you will also remember to write it down. If you don't write 20 baht and you only write 20, teacher will just make a big red X and you will not get marks. We have to remember to add the baht at the end. So if the rice cooker's normal price then is 100, what would the new sale price be? What would the new sale price be?
80 baht.
80 baht. Excellent. Excellent. Because we take the normal price minus the discount. And that leaves us with 80 baht. So this one might take a little bit longer to calculate, but let's have a look here. The rice cooker's normal price is 850 baht. How much of a discount is given? what will the discount amount be? I'll give you 1 minute there to calculate what would the discount be. Let's see who's going to be the fastest to calculate it. 20% of 850 baht equals
170 baht.
Are you sure 170? Are you sure? 170 baht. Let's see. Pam 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 pam. Hooray! Good job. It is 170 baht. So if we have a discount of 170 and a selling price or normal selling price of 850, what would our new selling price be after the discount? You could tell me, what would the new selling price be after discount?
680
680. Does everyone
Baht.
agree? Does everyone agree? I know I do. That is 100% correct. 680 baht. Okay. I don't want to carry on much further than this for now, because I know this can be confusing in the beginning. What I want to ask now, is there anyone that does not understand? If you do not understand, please raise your hand. You don't have to be shy, because I'm sure there might be some of you that are unsure. And I want us all to be 100% sure that we understand. So, do we understand? Yes? No? A little bit. If you understand, you can say yes. If you don't understand, just shake your head like this, then I can see. Well, Leon understands. Looks to me that some of you do understand. But if there's any of you that do not understand but want to learn, you can always contact us in the chat or in the line group so that we can help you guys. Okay. Ooh, a lot of busy on the screen. So this is page 67, number 2 on page 67. It says choose which store you should buy the item from based on price. So next time when we come, we will start with this, so that we can look at these type of word problems and also compare which price at which store is better, so we can decide where to buy our items. So for today, that's going to be all that we are going to do for mathematics. But I also want to ask you guys before we finish, what did we talk about today? What do you remember? Let's hear.
I think it's discount.
Leon says discounts. I agree with Leon. Yes, that's excellent answer. We talked about discounts, but also word problems. Also word problems. Word problems very important because it's sometimes very difficult if we don't understand. So please, if you don't understand, please contact us so we can explain. Okay, but now we have some time to quickly play a rock, paper, scissors game. I remember last week, you guys didn't do so well. So let's see if this week we can do a little bit better and beat the teacher. So if you want to play, make sure your cameras are turned on. I'll give you about 5 to 10 seconds before we start. Okay. Make sure we warm up so we don't get any injuries. And then you choose. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Woo! Teacher is the winner. Yes, yes, yes. I know Tempa is the one that drew with me today, but the other ones all chose paper, and Caesar cuts the paper. So I'm sorry, you guys, but you will have to try again in the afternoon to see if you can beat teacher. Okay. But then I will have to say goodbye to you now because our time is very short. But I'll see you again in the afternoon. And I hope you guys have a good morning. See you soon. Bye-bye.